Being a heathen in the Bible Belt isn't what most people think. And look, I'm not here to attack anybody. I'm just trying to live my faith honestly in a place where it's definitely not the norm. If you're new here, I'm an aspiring filmmaker, content creator. It just so happens to live in the Bible Belt, right in the middle of it. When you tell people, and especially here in this area, you're a heathen, you get one of three reactions. One, they think you're confused. And two, they think it is Viking cosplay because you watched Ragnar on TV. Or three, they freeze and don't know how to respond.
That's suspicious.
And I get it. I really do. It's so far outside the normal framework in this area. I tend not to get defensive over it anymore because it's just human nature to be confused or even fear things that you don't see on a normal basis or you don't do on a normal basis. I'd be lying to you if I told you it was always easy. The culture here is overwhelmingly Christian. It's in the casual conversations, community events, the way people say goodbye. You constantly feel different, like you're operating on a whole nother frequency. The hardest part hasn't been defending my faith. It's been learning how to practice it respectfully, quietly, without feeling I need to hide it. But here's the takeaway, a silver lining, if you will. It teaches you things. It teaches you patience, and it forces you to learn, because you have to learn this patience. And you know, when people ask these weird questions, I just breathe. I'm learning confidence. You know, like knowing that no matter what, I'm going to be the odd man out. And then, most importantly, I'm learning how to be open about my life without trying to force my beliefs onto others. I'm just out here learning in public and figuring it out as I go. This path is teaching me to be more grounded and to be more honest with myself and people that are around me. And I know I'm not the only one. And if you're out there and you're trying to figure this out on your own too, just know you're not by yourself. And I know we get, I've had several comments and, you know, about having the patience with the gods and everything. And I'm proud of every one of you guys that have decided to go outside the social norms to practice a belief that you have. If any of these videos are of any use to you or have any value, I suggest you watch this one. I did it because I wanted to elaborate a little bit more on the Havamal and the importance of sometimes being silent. I'll keep sharing what I learn, and until next time.
Urban mass smart wicked skulls, urban mass smart wicked skulls. Walk on my phone like alerted murder. Beak on my face, start squeeze. I keep believing in the saga. All low laws in the street. And it will probably all come away.